Investing in real estate can be a game changer for your financial future. So, what's the best way to do it? Here's my take. First, educate yourself. Learn about different types of properties, market trends, and investment strategies. Knowledge is power. Next, set clear goals. Are you looking for rental income or long-term appreciation? Define your objectives to guide your decisions. Now, it's time to crunch the numbers. Calculate potential returns, expenses, and risks. Don't forget about location. Research areas with growth potential and strong rental demand. Once you've done your homework, it's time to take action. Start small, maybe with a single-family home or a duplex. Build your portfolio gradually. And remember, patience is key. Real estate is a long-term game. Finally, consider partnering with experts. Real estate agents, property managers, and mentors can provide valuable guidance. So, there you have it. Educate yourself, set goals, crunch the numbers, take action, and partner with experts. Investing in real estate can be a rewarding journey. Good luck!